Hello again, this is Glenn with Carel, and today I want to talk about actually wiring the iJW. Just a brief, quick piece of information for you, so if it's your first time wiring one of these, you don't get yourself into trouble. When you look at the iJW, you can clearly see that we show the diagram here with all the connections. Sometimes when you turn this control around and you decide that you're going to do the wiring now, you're looking at that same diagram backwards. And sometimes the mistake gets made that people think, oh, I need to land my sensor wire on the top rail here in the sensors. For S1 and S2, you need to land them on the bottom one in this row. That's important. And remember that your ground with all of these sensors is a shared line. So you're always going to have more than one connection on what's called the ground line. And then you have S1, which is furthest away, and S2, which is in the middle. So if you're only hooking up one sensor, you want it basically spread apart. So ground is on one and the sensor connection's on the other. Now keep in mind, you can't wire these sensors backwards. There's no polarity to these or anything. So you don't need to worry about, oh, did I get it right? All you need to do is make sure that one is on terminal 1, and in this case, one's on terminal 3. And if you have a second sensor, one goes on terminal 2, and the terminal 3 is the shared terminal where you're sharing your ground. The top row here, this other one, this is only if you're hooking up a third sensor for specific applications. So there's a lot of chance you may not even need this one, but what we've had come into our call center on occasion is that people accidentally hook the sensors up to the top rail because again, you turned it around and now you're looking at our diagram backwards. So keep yourself out of trouble when you're wiring these up. Make sure you're using the bottom sensor rail to connect S1 and S2, and you'll have a great day. If you try to do it on the top rail, you're going to get error codes. Nobody wants to see that, so check it out. You can do it easily, and again, it's the bottom rail staring at the back of the control. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Enjoy the iJW.